All right, so welcome back. There's a play coming up in Pittsburgh very soon that is all about something going wrong. And it's actually called The Play That Goes Wrong. All right, so joining us this morning, we have Chris Stonecipher and Annabella Beechner, excuse me, I'm so sorry, joining us to give us details of the play and what it's all about.
Oh, of course. The problem is, our play is not called The Play That Goes Wrong. Our play is The Murder at Havisham Manor. It does happen to take place at the exact same time, in the exact same place as the play that goes wrong. I'm not sure who brought that particular poster board there.
Oh dear.
Yeah, indeed. Things are already going wrong, I suppose. This is my leading lady. Her name is Sandra.
Hello.
She's playing the role of Florence Collymore in the show. I must say, this is my directorial debut and my first show as the head of production for our little drama society, so I'm very excited.
I feel like I'm very confused at this moment.
That happens on occasion.
Or maybe I should be confused.
It does happen on occasion that there's a bit of confusion. You see, our directorial liaison for the Pittsburgh Community Theatre, he is directing The Play That Goes Wrong, again, at the same time as The Murder at Havisham Manor. He is sort of a go-between for me, Cornley Drama Society, Sandra, of course, and the rest of the cast and crew, like our stage manager, Trevor, or one of our stage hands, Annie.
So,
You just had to go and mention her, didn't you?
She's very effective.
She is the opposite of effective.
But she's
a
also-
terrible stage manager.
Okay, but
you know she has been trying to steal my role.
Okay.
You know that she is a role stealer.
So we'll try to get back to the interview here. Yeah. Do you want to tell me a little bit about your role?
Yes. So my role as Florence Collymore is a wonderful role. She is such a bombshell for women. She takes over every space that she enters. She loves her fiancé, or does she? And she's just such a wonderful, wonderful role to play, and I'm just so thankful for Chris to cast me in this role and not anybody else but me in this role.
Yes, of course. I should say that the play will be going on, of course, the 24th, 25th, and 26th at 7:30 Friday and Saturday evenings, and at 2 p.m. Saturday and Sunday afternoon. So you've got plenty of opportunities to see the show. You see, it's actually on this. It's a little hard to see sometimes. This is heavier than I thought it was.
Let me help you. Oh dear.
Come see The Murder at Havisham Manor.
Yeah.
And The Play That Goes Wrong.
We'll be right back.